Hi friends! Pharma companies have always been revered as the ideal companies to work with. After all, they are responsible for producing the life-saving drugs, shielding us from life-threatening diseases. Angel, isn't it? But lately, many research studies have accused them of conducting irresponsible operations, paying no heed to the people and environment, neglecting the local people's health for their profits. Let's look at the truth. Firstly, let's look at the operation of an ideal pharma company. Apart from producing the life-saving drugs, a pharma company also releases chemical-laden solid waste and effluent. Now, a responsible pharma unit treats this waste before releasing it in the environment. That is, solid waste is either incinerated, sold, or dumped at a proper disposal site or at the treatment, storage, and disposal facility, also known by the acronym TSDF, while the effluent is treated in an effluent treatment plant within prescribed state pollution control board limits. Also, while incineration, some harmful pollutants are released in the air which are captured by suitable mechanisms. Remember, this treatment costs a substantial amount to a company, and any cost incurred means a lesser profit. But for good, ethical, and responsible companies, this cost is not more than the health of people and environment, a reflection of their strong moral foundation. Respect, respect. Now let's see what few pharma companies actually do. According to a recent study by Center for Science and Environment in Baddi, Brotiwala and Nalagarh or BBN region has exposed many aberrations in operations of a few pharma companies. These are improper disposal of solid waste, burning of solid waste in open. Liquid waste from these units is also discharged through pipes and other outlets that open behind the plant or run underground and open into bushy areas. This released wastewater accumulates in or flows through nalas, canals, and rivulets into the Sirsa river. Effluents are also injected into the ground at night by digging borewells or released during rains. Due to this, not only Sirsa river, which flows downstream of Baddi region, is turning black and emanating foul odor, but it is also becoming a grave concern for us. The poorly regulated discharge of untreated wastewater into soils and rivers is causing the spread of antibiotic ingredients which cause microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, viruses, and parasites to develop immunity to antibiotics, creating superbugs. As a result, the medicines become ineffective and infections persist in the body, increasing the risk of spread to others are loved ones. Superbugs are able to travel quickly through air and water, aboard airplanes, and through global food supply chains. According to WHO, without effective antibiotics, the success of major surgery and cancer chemotherapy would be compromised. The cost of healthcare for patients with resistant infections is higher than care for patients with non-resistant infections due to longer duration of illness, additional tests, and use of more expensive drugs. Globally, 480,000 people develop multi-drug resistant TB each year, and drug resistance is started to complicate the fight against HIV and malaria as well. By 2050, the total death toll worldwide as a result of contracting an infection that proves resistant to treatment is expected to reach 10 million people. Currently, effluent standards are limited to chemical contaminants such as heavy metals. APIs are not considered as a chemical contaminant. Laws must be made to ensure that there are no APIs in treated effluents. Now, with the news of creation of bulk pharma drug park in Baddi, the threat of antimicrobial resistance or AMR due to APIs in the environment will be more pronounced as Baddi expands manufacturing capacity. This won't only affect the residents of Baddi or Haryana, but everyone, including you, me, and the same officials of the pharma companies. The Sirsa River enters Himachal Pradesh state in the Solan district near Baddi and flows straight into Punjab and finally meets Satluj near Ropar. Even my city receives the water from the same river. Oh, beep 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 beep. All the more reasons to go to Canada. Finally, happy, let's go to Canada. God bless us.